Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. I'm really proud to show this 1964 Corvette. It's been body off the frame, professionally restored. Its numbers match, and it's a great cruiser. It's an automatic with power steering, power brakes. To get all the specs and see all the pricing and photos, go to volocars.com. We have a few hundred cars on there for sale. But right now, let's take this for a spin. You can see the car is gorgeous. It was professionally restored. It's got very few miles on it since it was done. On our website, we even have pictures underneath the car, and you'll see it's like brand new. Everything's been redone mechanically and cosmetically. Probably about as close to new as you can get on a 64 Corvette. There was a Corvette restoration shop not far from here. This was his wife's car. That's who we bought it from. He passed away a few years ago, and like I said, this was her car, and it's just a ground-up restoration coming from some real Corvette enthusiasts. The interior is completely redone. New cushions in the seats, of course, all new upholstery, carpet front to back, all the knobs, armrests, all done. There's no cracks in the steering wheel. The console's mint, quartz movement in the clock. The gauges look pristine. The dash pads are mint. There's no cracks. Glove box door looks original, but I'd still give it an 8 out of a 10. The original AM/FM radio. I got AM working. We're in a metal building. The antenna's down, but the little scanner works. You hit the button and starts searching for stations. So I would assume that radio's even been rebuilt. All new gaskets, a new windshield. This is the original stainless, so it has the rub marks from the top, but all the chrome is redone. Bumpers, taillights, emblems, that's all new. It's a 327 with the optional 300 horsepower. It is VIN number matched to the car, and it is like new looking. It's not greasy, not dusty. This looks brand new, and it looks like it would have from the factory. All the correct manifolds, GM hoses, correct ignition shielding, and it has power brakes, power steering. And again, everything in here looks new. Convertible top is tan, matches the interior. That's new. There's a new car cover in there. This is one item they did not replace. There is some cracking in the plastic. Correct antenna. Start it up for you. Side exhaust. I love this. If you're going to be cruising down the road with one of these, you just want to hear that. Headlights open up actually pretty darn quick. Tachometer works, oil pressure is great. The automatic's very desirable, especially when you get it with power steering, power brakes. You just get in it and cruise. It's our 17-inch polished torque thrust wheels with Goodyear F1 performance tires. Everything fits nice and square. The headlights fit in here real nicely. Go to the website, see the underside of the car. It's like brand new. It's a matching number 336 posi rear end. Of course, it's all independent suspension, but all the front end is rebuilt, the brakes, the brake lines, everything is redone. On the website, you'll also find plenty of ways to contact us. We have a whole staff of people. Their job is to assist you in buying your dream car. So plenty of ways to contact our staff. They can help with financing, shipping, answer any questions you may have. This car is excellent. This is a really, really good car. The motor runs perfectly. Very few miles on the restoration. So it's turnkey, ready to drive, ready to show, whatever it is you want it to do. So visit volocars.com. That's where you get started, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's how you'll see the videos first. Thanks for watching.